Struggling with reasoning questions in exams? Don't worry, once you know the method, they become simple and even fun. In this video, we'll break down 3 analytical reasoning problems step by step, the same type you'll see in CSS-MPT, NTS, GAT, GRE, SAT, and university entry exams. Plus, as a reward for staying till the end, I'll share bonus logical reasoning questions to sharpen your practice for the real test. Problem number 1. Read the following information carefully and then answer the questions based on it. P, Q, R, S, T and U are 6 members of a family. Out of 6 members, 3 are male members. There are 2 married couples among them. R is the father of P and U, and T is the mother of R. P is the granddaughter of Q. Before solving this question, it is important to know few tips which will not only save time but will fetch good marks. Always read the question carefully and underline important information. Mind working is best for questions with little data, but with reasoning questions it may result in wastage of time. Avoid unnecessary mental working. Always use paper and pen. Map information with symbols and flow chart elements. Establish relationships while reading data. Must look and manage your time. Listen, watch, and practice regularly. Now we make information diagram. P, Q, R, S, T and U are 6 members of a family. 3 are male, so 3 will be female. Here we take square to show male and circle to show female. There are 2 married couples among them. R is the father of P and U. Start arranging, so keep P and U under R. Draw square around R. T is the mother of R, so keep T above R, and draw circle around T as female. P is the granddaughter of Q. Draw circle around P being female. Now we will arrange it by little thinking where to place. As P is daughter of R, so Q will be father of R. Draw square around Q. Let's see what has come up so far. Only S is left. We know there are 2 couples, so one is Q and T. As P and U are siblings, so R and S is other couple. S is female as R is male. Draw circle around S. All 3 females are established. T, S, and P. P and U are siblings and P is female, so U is male being brother of P. Draw square around U. Now we read the questions and select appropriate answer. Question number 1 is, how is U related to P? Now we refer to family diagram and try to answer question. In family diagram, U is brother of P, so option D is correct answer. Now moving to question 2. How is Q related to U? In family diagram, Q is grandfather of U, so option B is correct answer. Question 3 is, which of the following pairs is one of the married couples? In family diagram, T, U and QS are not couples, but TQ is couple, so option C is correct answer. Question 4 is asking, which of the following is a group of male members? Looking at family diagram, we can easily identify that Q, R and U are male members, so option C is answer. Who is the husband of T? This is question 5. Again, looking at family diagram, we can identify that Q is husband of T, so option A is answer. You can see, by moving logically, we have easily answered all the questions. In such kind of question, use of paper and pen is of utmost importance. Problem number 2. 5 friends, A, B, C, D, and E, are sitting in a row. We need to find who is sitting in the middle. Certain conditions are given which we will use one by one to map the situation. A is not at either end. C is to the right of A. D is between A and C. B is to the right of E. Now once we organize it together, we find that A is in the middle. Problem number 3. There are 4 participants, W, X, Y, Z. Each attended a different workshop out of 4, that is AI, ML, DS and Cyber, on different days on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Use the facts given to respond to correct option. Map the question statement using smart tags, that is participants, workshops, and days. Now apply facts one by one on map. This way we will apply all 7 facts to establish final relationship. Z attended on Wednesday. DS was held on Thursday. The ML workshop was after Tuesday. X attended immediately before W. W did not attend on Monday. I was earlier than Cyber. Why did not attend I? Now we read what has been asked in the question, which states who attended on Wednesday, and which workshop was it. It is very obvious that Z attended on Wednesday and it was machine learning. So option A is correct choice. Logical reasoning bonus pack. Ali walks 5 kilometers north, then 3 kilometers east, then 2 kilometers south. In which direction is he now from his starting point? First of all, we will draw compass rose. Then we move 5 kilometers to north, then 3 kilometers to east, and then 2 kilometers to south. We need to find the position from starting point, referring to compass rose and direction forward's terminal point from start point. He is in northwest direction. Problem number 2. If in a code language, math equals NBUI, what is the code for logic? Now we move to find relationship between math and NUBI. There are 4 letters in both. Now we see what is relationship between corresponding letters. We pick first letter, that is M, and then what is relationship between M and N. Both are alphabetic letters and N comes after M. This is interesting. Now we see arrangement of other letters. B comes next to A. U comes after T and I is next letter to A. So we apply same rule to logic. L will change to M. O will change to P. G will change to H. I will change to J. C will change to D. So logic changes to MPHJD, which is option C. Problem number 3. Maria says, "This man is the son of my father's only son." How is the man related to Maria? Now the picture is quite clear. Man father is Maria's brother. So the man is nephew of Maria.